The guys at AR Runtek sent me this 2-pack of waterproof fanny packs. Now, why would you use this? You ask, I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna tell you why I use waterproof technology. I like swimming in rivers. I go to Switzerland every year, and I swim in the river, in the Rhine River in Basel. You can go in there, and it has a dam, so it slows the river. So everyone goes there midday in the summer, hot day. You put your stuff in a bag, right? And you jump in the water, and you float down the river, and then you get out somewhere else. It's really awesome activity. I do that every day, and to do that is preferable that you have waterproof places to keep your belongings. And in this case, this is perfect. You see that? Let me show you. It's really well made. It's light, but it's thick, and I'm gonna show you how well your stuff is going to protect it in this thing. Okay, so check it out. Now, they do an extra good job with this, right? So this has like the Ziploc technology. You see, every has a Ziploc kind of lock to it. Okay, and it has 3 levels. Now, let me tell you, right? Let me tell you, it's a little overkill, because if you just folded this 3 times, right? Water is not going to go through there. For sure. I know, because the bags that I use for swimming down the river, they don't have this extra Ziploc technology. And when I fold it like this, and then I do this, right? It is hermetically sealed. No water is going to go through there. But in the case of this, it has an extra level of security. You see that? So you put whatever you want in there. Let's put this thing, right? And then you're going to start from the bottom. You see? It snaps. You hear that? Snaps into place. And then you do the second level. You snap the second level. Okay? And then you do the third level. Okay? So now, even if you drop it into the water just like this, nothing is going to get through, because it has to go through 3 borders, right? In order to get to the good stuff down here, right? But to give it an extra level of security, you fold it. Like I told you, if you just fold it like this, nothing is going to get through that, because it's folded, and unless you go down 50 feet underwater, the water pressure is not going to go in there. There's no reason for it, because there's air in here pushing the pressure out. You see? So, but in this case, they have that extra. So it's folded, and then it has a Velcro, and you go like this, and there you go. This is sealed. Really nice, right? Water is not gonna go in there. Nothing is gonna happen with your phone, your wallet, whatever you want to put in there. Now, what doesn't go in here? Very important. Keys. Don't do it, bro. No keys in there. Okay? Anything with any pointy object, you don't want to put in here, or any other dry bag for that matter. You don't, because it pieces the integrity, and even though these locks are amazing, if you break a little hole on this area right here, that's it. Okay? So this is perfect for, I mean, you can jump in the water. Like you can, let's say that you go to the beach and you don't want to leave your stuff, like your belongings in the beach because you're by yourself and you want to take it with you. You put it in one of these things, boom, and that's it. Let's say you want to go snorkeling. You want to take your phone with you for some reason, right? You can. You put the phone in there. It fits perfectly, you see? Phone fits in there perfectly. You put your phone in there and you can see, I mean, I don't think you can answer calls, but if somebody calls you, if there's anything, you could read right through it because the material is translucent. You see? You can see inside. So I want to thank the guys at AR Runtek. This is a fanny pack that you can put like around anything, right? You can put it around your waist. It goes up to 42 inches. So if you're a 42 waisted guy like me, that I'm big, you could put this around your waist and it's gonna fit perfectly. You can adjust it as you wish and make it as big as you want, right? And you know the caveats, like I said, don't put sharp things in there. Don't use it in hot springs because the heat might break the integrity of this. And you know what I suggest is when you buy it, right? So they come in twos, right? You put some electronic, not an electronic. What I did was I took something like what I put in there. I wrapped it in toilet paper. I put it in there and I dunked it in a bucket of water. And I waited. I left it in there. And then I took it out. I let it dry, right? And then I open it. And if it's still dry, it's that toilet paper is still dry in there, it means that this is perfect. And if it isn't, it has a lifetime warranty. So they are the guys at AR Run are so confident of their product that they give you, of course, in reasonable grounds, they give you a lifetime warranty of their product. So thank you guys at AR Runtek to send this to me. It's gonna be put to great use and it's super recommended.